Paano mag-add and subtract ng mixed fractions? Panoorin natin to. So sa pag-add ng 5 and 2/3 plus 1 over 3, convert natin si 5 and 2/3 into mixed fractions tulad nito. 3 times 5 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. So I have 17 over 3 plus 1/3. At since parehas ang ating denominator, copy the denominator at i-add natin yung numerator. So meron tayong 18 over 3. We can convert this into a mixed fraction by dividing 18 by 3 at remainder. So 18 over 3 is equal to 6. So kung meron tayong 5 over 7 plus 2 and 4 over 7, convert natin si 2 and 4 over 7 into an improper fraction. 7 times 2 is 14. And 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So meron tayong 18 over 7 and kopyahin natin si 5 over 7 and proceed to addition, copy si denominator, and add natin si numerator. And we have 23 over 7 that we can convert into a mixed fraction by dividing 23 by 7. So 7 goes to 23 3 times. At meron tayong remainder of 2 at ito ang magiging numerator. So ang ating fraction would be 3 and 2 over 7. Kaya kung meron tayong 3 and 2/5 minus 2/3, convert natin yung ating mixed number is 17 over 5. Subtract natin to kay 2/3. At since magkaiba yung kanilang denominator, gamitin natin si butterfly method. Minus over, and 3 times 17 is equal to 51 minus 10 is 41. Meron tayong 41 over 15. And we can convert this into a mixed number. How many times 15 goes to 41? 2. 2 times 15 is 30. And 41 minus 30 is 11. So ang sagot natin dito would be 2 and 11 over 15. Kaya kung meron tayong 4 and 1/2 plus 7 and 2/3, convert natin siya into an improper fractions and then use the butterfly method para makuha natin yung sum ng ating fraction. So ang sagot natin would be 73 over 6 and then convert natin siya into a mixed number and convert natin si 73 over 6 into a mixed number. So we have 6 divided by 7. So ang sagot natin would be 12 and 1 over 6. So sa pag-add and subtract ng mixed number, mag-convert muna tayo ng ating mixed fractions bago natin siya i-add or subtract.